Hello, this is my 2014 bike check. That's my bike. That's my Dylan. Alright, let's start this off the right way. If you're gonna take like a bike check video or maybe a cover photo of your stock bike, please make sure your pedals are horizontal and your chain's at a decent slack, because you all look silly. You look official, at least, you know? Starting off, I have a DK Team 20.05 inch top tube frame. I've had it for like a few years and no problems with it. You can probably tell I painted it green with blue stripes, zebra to match. I have this nice sticker for all the scooter riders, if you can read that. My bars are Stolen Cell Bars 8.65 rise. I usually cut my bars down at least like an inch or so. You can probably tell they're really long, but I'll probably cut them down soon. I have Odyssey F25 freestyle forks because I put front brakes on sometimes when I'm feeling silly. I got them powder coated green also. I really like them. They have a really steep offset, so you can do a lot of front wheel tricks, so it's pretty fun. It's really humid out. Stolen Team 2.5 piece cranks. They're really cool. They're really strong. DK Orbit rims, whatever, Primo spokes. Demolition, I guess they're Bulimia, something with the B hubs. Front and back cassette. And I have both Demolition hub guards. You can see that. I like how low profile they are. These are Stolen Joint 2.2, I believe, inch tires. The blue and the black sidewall. Oh, I also have alternating nipples. Shadow little one pegs, all four. So those are the Demolition hub guards up there. Back here I have the Demolition non-drive side and the Primo drive side hub guard. Spokes for maximum street riding abilities. I think I have 4 broken spokes back there. The chain's a mechanic hollow track, half track, something track. This is the Shadow Scream sprocket with a Shadow Disaster Guard, I think it's called. I really like that. I haven't broken or bent anything. Odyssey JC PC pedals. I really like that you can have pins on one side, not the other. Whatever, I think a tack top load with a Stolen Insider headset and a Thermalite spacer, shadow sticker for horsepower. Is Stolen Thermalite. I don't like how dirty it gets, and being plastic, it kind of makes a little groove wherever you tighten it. Shadow seat post clamp, and this is a Shadow Penumbrum seat, but I completely tore off the existing cover and made my own. That's a Shadow Corvus bottom bracket. Shout out to Sploosh. Keeps you hydrated on those hot days. When you take a picture of your bike like that and put it as your cover photo, you can't 360 or roll out or anything. Keep your chain tight because you look silly, I promise you. I guess what my bike tech is trying to tell you is not to buy a Thermalite seat post, because that just snapped. I think I just would have rode away from my first tail whip if it wasn't for stolen Thermalite seats. As you can tell, I kind of had it in there 2 inches. That's what she said. I can't ride like this. It's like a park bike. It's humid and I don't like riding with the seat so low. It makes me feel weird. So I'm just gonna put in some clips I didn't use in my edit and let you watch some of those. Thanks, subscribe. Need a bigger one than that.